I'm Sarah with the American Red Cross inside Disaster Relief Headquarters in Providence for the blizzard response in Rhode Island. I've been deployed here from Philadelphia to help with the response and to tell the story of the Red Cross. In my days here, I've weathered the storm, been out on a fire response, and visited shelters in Rhode Island and Massachusetts. I've spoken to various media outlets to help spread safety tips and information about the Red Cross response. I'm just one of many volunteers serving this disaster and others across the country. And we always need volunteers. So if you'd like to be a Red Cross volunteer, sign up at redcross.org today.